If you don't have gutter guards to prevent clogs from fallen leaves, cleaning your gutters is a necessary and messy job. Leaves and debris that pile up in your gutters can cause water to spill over the brim, creating foundation and drainage issues. Melted snow can also freeze and create ice dams that will cause leaks inside the home. Number 1. Orbit 58543 Telescoping Gutter Cleaning Wand. Orbit's telescoping gutter cleaning wand is quite possibly the simplest approach to gutter cleaning, requiring nothing more than a garden hose. This wand has a telescoping section that extends from 40 to 70 inches, allowing you to reach lower gutters, like those on ranch or Cape-style homes, from the ground. It also features a built-in nozzle and an adjustable arm, both of which you can set to the correct angle. When testing the Orbit, I found it to be the simplest gutter cleaning tool. Cleaning the gutters on my Cape-style home required simply extending the pole and hooking up a garden hose. Adjusting the head and nozzle were both very easy, and the shutoff valve does a good job of controlling the pressure. My only concerns were that it's not useful for higher gutters and that its effectiveness will rely on the home's water pressure. Number 2. Craftsman Wet-Dry Vacuum Gutter Cleaning Kit. DIYers can make the most of their wet-dry vacuum with this gutter cleaning kit from Craftsman. This 4-piece kit comes with two 18-inch extension wands, a hooked gutter nozzle, and a blower nozzle for concentrating the shop vac's blower volume. It will fit a wet-dry vac with a 2.5-inch outlet, so it's compatible with most shop vac extensions to reach a bit higher than the kit alone allows. This kit from Craftsman was one of my favorite surprises in testing. I hooked it up to a 5.5 horsepower wet-dry vac exhaust and found that it was incredibly effective at blowing leaves and debris out of the gutter, especially with the restrictive nozzle that comes in the kit. It was a little clumsy to use, and it might not be suitable for use on a ladder, not with a powerful vacuum at least, but it was very easy to set up. It also felt like it could serve other purposes, such as vacuuming in vents or other nooks where a standard vacuum won't reach. Number 3. SunJoe SPX SRL9 Universal Pressure Washer Skylance. The SunJoe SPX SRL9 Skylance has everything necessary to turn almost any pressure washer into a gutter cleaning machine. This kit comes with 3 wands that attach to each other with double O-rings and male and female threads. It also comes with its own trigger gun as well as a shoulder strap, a 30-degree nozzle, and 2 angled adapters. It can operate as a 3-foot wand, 6-foot wand, or 9-foot wand, whichever height you require. The SunJoe is rated for use with pressure washer outputs between 1,800 and 4,000 psi. The user just has to remove the pressure washer's existing gun from its hose and attach the SunJoe in its place. I've tested quite a few gutter cleaners, and the SunJoe is certainly the highest quality. The wands have a heavy-duty build, and the threaded attachments are a rarity. Most just use 1/4-inch quick connects. While the design makes this pressure washer attachment sturdy, it also leads to quite a heavy tool that might be unwieldy for some users, mainly when all 3 sections of the wand are connected. Number 4. Aggie Man Pressure Washer Gutter Cleaning Toolkit. The Aggie Man Gutter Cleaning Kit comes with everything necessary to achieve squeaky clean gutters other than the pressure washer. This kit includes several extension rods and tips, each equipped with leak-proof O-rings. This kit fits 1/4-inch quick connect pressure washers, and the company says it can handle up to 4,000 psi. I found the Aggie Man Gutter Cleaning Toolkit to be one of the most effective gutter cleaning kits in this test. It came with several wands and 4 nozzles, and it snapped to my pressure washer without an issue. It was easy to manipulate into the gutter and had plenty of power. While the kit says it can handle up to 4,000 psi, I believe it would become difficult to control and might eventually fail with that much pressure. I found 1,700 psi to be more than enough. The downside is that it requires a pressure washer, and the bearings can make keeping it aligned a bit of a challenge. It tends to twist if you touch the gutter. Number 5. The Gutter Tool. Anyone who plans to remove their gutter clutter with a manual leaf remover will want to give the gutter tool a look. This plastic device screws onto the end of an extension pole or broomstick and allows you to drag the debris to one central location for removal. I found the gutter tool to be one of the easiest gutter cleaner tools to set up and use. It's lightweight but durable, making it easy to manipulate, yet hardy. I felt the spoon did a good job of pulling the debris to where my ladder was located. Whenever I reached a bracket, I found it easy to flip the tool over to use the scoop and push it under the bracket. The only downsides I found were that it doesn't come with an extension pole and that it doesn't actually remove the debris. It collects it in one spot, so I had to remove it myself. However, it's sturdy and ensures that you're able to reach and gather nearly anything in the gutter, which potentially means less time moving a ladder. I'd suggest an extension pole to go with it, however.